Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a location to your Facebook post on Android. Whether you're sharing your travel adventures or just letting your friends know where you're hanging out, adding a location to your Facebook post is a great way to add context to your content. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. First things first, open the Facebook app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, enter your login information to access your account. Step 2. Write your new post next. Tap on the What's on Your Mind text box at the top of your Facebook feed. Here, you can write your post and add any photos or videos you want to include. Step 3. Look for the location symbol. Once you've written your post, look for the location symbol at the bottom of your post. It looks like a small map pin. Tap on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Choose your location. After tapping on the location symbol, you'll see a list of nearby locations to choose from. If you don't see the location you want, you can search for it using the search bar at the top of the screen. Once you've found the location you want to add, tap on it to select it. Step 5. Tap Post. Finally, tap the Post button to share your post with your friends and followers. Your post will now include a location tag, which will show up as a clickable link that other users can tap on to see more information about the location. And that's it. Adding a location to your Facebook post on Android is quick and easy. Now you can share your adventures and keep your friends in the loop about where you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.